Hi guys, welcome, and in this video we're gonna make some curry oxtail. We're gonna start by washing the meat with some vinegar, then going with the spices. The ingredients will be listed in the description below. So you don't have to add chilies. The chilies is just a preference thing. I'm going to add scotch bonnet later. I know most people let the oxtail marinate for a few hours or overnight, but today I'm cooking to eat right now. I'm not waiting on the marination. So now we're gonna add the meat to the pot and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before turning. And in the meantime, I'm gonna prep the rest of the seasonings. So I didn't add any water. This is all from the oxtail itself. So just gonna turn and let the liquid dry down, and then we'll add water later. So now it's dried down, I'm gonna add some hot water. Now I'm adding the rest of the seasonings and more hot water, and I'll let this simmer for about an hour. It looks like everything is coming together now, so I'm going to do a taste test. It needs a little bit more all-purpose, so I'm going with some Gaia Maggi. And it's almost ready, so I'm gonna add the butter beans and let the gravy thicken. And this is where it's at, guys. The color is looking perfect, it smells great, and it tastes great. And I'm gonna have this with some dumplings and plantains, and tomorrow I'll have it with some plain rice. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.